It's even right-hand drive. I had no clue when I was driving past. What is up? It is a very, very cold morning in Moab. It's super cold. I'm in the TreadLightly Give Away Jeep. Holly's letting me go wheel it today. I'm headed to the trailhead. I believe it's Hell's Revenge. I'm gonna meet up with Matt. We're gonna go do this trail. I've never wheeled anything. There's always a first for everything. It's a little cold in here because there's no doors. Not that I deserve it, but this is the maiden voyage for the TreadLightly Give Away Jeep. If anybody wants to find out how to win this thing, head over to Holly's channel. She's gonna be announcing what you need to do to enter and how you're going to be able to win this Jeep. This thing is awesome. It's been built very well. It's super comfortable. It rides nice, steers good. It's got a cool sound system. Everything in this Jeep is awesome. We're gonna go see how it does, especially how it does with an inexperienced driver. All right, current situation. I'm in front of Matt and I'm behind bleeping Jeep. That way, if I get into any sort of trouble, they got my back and my front. I'm just trying not to screw up. That's my whole goal today. Hey, it's cool. All right, first obstacle overcame.
Yes.
All right, so far so good. I'm not gonna lie, if I had to choose a favorite, well, it's Tucker, then it's Trailmater. Nice. All right, so I'm filming myself, so I didn't get to show you guys that second obstacle. There's a red Jeep ahead of us that had to be spotted, back up, do a little things. This Jeep went right up it. I'm starting to think that this Jeep is pretty dang cool. Got Matt and Jamie right behind me. They went right up it like it was nothing. This is our next trail. All right, my turn. Just like we knew what we were doing. Heck yeah. I decided to go around that one. I wanted to watch the XJ go up it. So Matt and the banana made it like it was butter. Just like it was nothing. Oh, there's our next one. Check that out. Look at you go. That is some talent. 2 cameras at once. Yeah. Like, hello, channels. Who were you riding with, Tucker?
Yeah.
I would have gotten out too.
Yeah, he's gonna roll.
Just kidding. Yeah. This is such a weird feeling. By the way, this is my first time.
Ever crawling?
Dead serious, yeah. So if we roll, just go with it.
Just roll the brand new Jeep.
Oh, yeah. Some stuff to smoke.
How is it, Tucker?
Stellar.
Stellar?
Stellar.
How's the ride inside the Morrvair?
It's been awesome.
The brakes are wonderful.
First time on Hell's Revenge. All right, so we ran into our first little issue. We lost our bottle. Back there on one of the trails, we just had to let it fall off. Figured we'd take care of it once we stopped, so look at that, we're stopped. I don't even know how this came off. Holy crap! We made it in one piece. What'd you think, Lizzie?
That was a little bit sketchy. You need to work on your driving skills.
I know. Hey, it's my first time. So
that was awesome. That was super good.
That was
you
way
kept
cool.
your cool on the
I was,
outside, maybe
yeah,
not
I was
on the
like
inside.
internally shaking, but it worked.
I was like sitting here. I'm like, all right, I got my harness on. I'm all nice and tight, and then I'm like trying to look everywhere and I can't move.
Oh man, that was cool. That was our one and only time doing that. So we're done. I'm just
Well,
kidding.
we're done.
It is another day down here in Moab, Utah. We are at the Easter Jeep Safari. We're getting ready to head over to the Moab Brewery. We're gonna be meeting up with Barnes 4-Wheel Drive and Matt's Off-Road Recovery and a bunch of fans on this organized trail ride. We're gonna be heading over to the top of the world. It's like 45 minutes outside of Moab. I'm gonna be driving the Morrvair today. It's only the second time I've ever rock crawled, but I'm excited. Hopefully I don't screw it up. Don't wanna mess that thing up. It's too cool. I don't even know what to expect, but it should be a lot of fun.
It is a pretty long drive. It's about 45 minutes. Once we get there, we'll stop, air down and everything.
All right, so we just got to the parking lot where we are going to top of the world. We are on the Barnes 4-Wheel Drive run. Stop it, Tucker. I'm being serious. We're gonna be headed up to top of the world with the Barnes 4-Wheel Drive group. It's gonna be all day, so we'll show you guys what we're up to and then get back to Moab. Perfect.
Mess it up.
That wasn't so bad. I didn't get yelled at that time. All right, so it's my first time in the Morrvair. We got to drive it up that obstacle. It's pretty cool. This thing is awesome. Had to back up just slightly, bump it, but we got up it. And we're gonna be heading back up the trail to the top of the world. We made it. Top of the world. Super windy. All right, so it's been a super long day. We got a ton of wheeling in. Went and hung out with a bunch of people at the BFG party. We went on the Barnes Trail ride to the top of the world, and it is super late.
It's freezing cold.
It's freezing cold, so we are gonna go in. So we will see you guys tomorrow. So we made it to the vendor show. Check it out. We've got the JL here. We've got Holly's Mischief Maker JK. Which one do you guys like better? The giveaway Jeep or Mischief Maker? I'm a little partial, so I'm gonna go with the Mischief Maker. Not just because she's standing here. Took a lot of work to get it here. Super pumped. We're at the BFG booth here at the vendor show at Easter Jeep Safari. Everything turned out awesome. I wheeled the giveaway Jeep. Holly let the parking lot princess sit in a garage all week. One of these days she'll be able to get out and wheel it and get some scratches. We're gonna show you around the giveaway Jeep. As you can see, TreadLightly is who's behind the Jeep giveaway. All proceeds from this giveaway are gonna go to TreadLightly. They do a lot of good things. They're a great organization. Go to treadlightly.org. That's treadlightly.org. Make sure you get on the list. You don't wanna miss this. I believe it's gonna be like $5 an entry. Go to the website, check it out, put your email address in there. This thing is not just your bolt-on attachment aftermarket parts Jeep. This thing is a custom built Jeep. It's got a custom built cage, all the suspension's custom. It's got 1-ton axles, and for $5, it could be yours. Demri thinks I should keep building derby cars. I think I should be building a Jeep. This is the type of Jeep I think I should build. It's a JK. I think this thing is awesome, and I could definitely see one of these in my future. What do you guys think? The XJ is cool. I think we need to get it put back together. 1-ton that thing. Then I think the real build should be a JK. Let us know in the comments what you guys think. I think after the expo, we need to go exploring and see if we can find us a project. Not a Jeep, maybe like a rat rod or something. Let's go cruise around, see if we can find something. Do we need more projects?
No.
We're gonna get out of here and go see what Moab has to offer.
Look at the dinosaurs.
Scary little thingy. She said this seemed a lot cooler on the internet. It is so cool. Look at the Eggosaurus back there and a Velociraptor. I don't even know what it's called. All right, we've had about all the fun we can have with these Parabarontopoduses. So we're gonna go check out their sisters and brothers down the way. Parabarontopodus. I got corrected by a 10-year-old. I came to this park today to have fun with my family, not get eaten by dinosaurs. I gotta go. I'm safe now. I'm home. Ooh, that was a close one. I almost got eaten. So So when we were driving yesterday, there's a cool little van somewhere around here. So I gotta find it. So I'm gonna go in and see if I can buy it. So I had Hillbilly and Big Dinner bring the tow truck down so we can get this thing hopefully squared away and they can take it back for us. That little brown van right over there. All right, so we just stopped at Tic Tac Towing. We just met Ray, he's the owner here. We wanna go talk about this little van.
It used to be a postal van and it's been in this town since brand new from what I'm hearing from everybody that we've talked to.
It says welcome to Canyonlands right across the front. Looks like it's right up my alley. I think we gotta go over and check it out and see if we can strike a deal. Check this out. It's even right-hand drive. I had no clue when I was driving past. That makes it even cooler. It's got the swivel seat.
Yep.
There is no seat.
No, check that out. Oh, it's sideways. Oh, it's just set in there. Oh, this is awesome. Check this garage door out.
What's that, 60 years old almost and it still works.
Yes.
That's amazing.
When they actually built stuff good.
Built stuff to last, dude.
Sweet. Look at this. It's like virtually rust-free too. The headlights blinkering. Got the wiper arm. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's even got the old Studebaker emblems.
Throttle, you can either run out the pedal up here, or it has a side pedal. Do it side to side.
No ice cream today. No ice cream today.
So what we planned was a Volkswagen TDI to put in there. Pretty cool to do a diesel swap on it.
Okay, so this thing is awesome. I'm pretty glad we found what we needed. I mean, coming down to Moab, we didn't bring a Jeep. Don't really know what we're doing here, but I knew I needed to find a project. So we stopped, talked to Ray, tried to swing a deal. So it's a 1963 Studebaker postal van. I think they used to call them little zippy vans.
Super rare, so super expensive.
Oh, gee. I appreciate it.
Not a problem. Thanks for
Thank
coming
you.
down, guys.
Yeah. If you guys are ever in Moab and need a tow out, call Tic Tac Towing. Talk to Ray, he'll help you guys out. Let's grab the tow truck, Hillbilly, and let's get this thing loaded.
Do we really need another project?
Dinner, check this out. It's got old school AC. Look at that, the whole front is a vent. Dude, I freaking love it.
Mister, can I get a free area map?
Absolutely, sir. Here you go.
Okay.
Have a nice day. Beam me up, Scotty. All right, this thing is so sweet. I can't believe we found this. It's like a diamond in the rough. Very gently. Heck yeah. All right, Moab has been super good to us. This week has been awesome. This is just like icing on the cake to get this little zippy van at the end of the week.
You guys have fun.
Okay, drive safe. All right, so Easter Jeep Safari is winding down. We're excited to get back to work, but we're sad that Easter Jeep Safari is over. So, as always, we appreciate you guys, and if you enjoyed this video, go check out this one.